How to hide likes on Instagram posts. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to hide likes on Instagram posts. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Instagram app. Then we should go to our profile. Here we should tap on 3 lines at the top right corner. And in appearance menu, we need to tap on settings at the top. Now we should find privacy and click on it. And here we need to tap on posts. If you want to hide likes, you need to switch on option hide like and view counts. And that's all. It was how to hide likes on Instagram posts. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.